It's 2 a.m. at night. You can't sleep. You're scrolling YouTube, thumb moving automatically, not really looking for anything. And then one thumbnail stops you cold. A stick man, a simple hand-drawn stick man, 7.5 million views. You tap it, no fancy animation, no 3D characters, no cinematic visuals, not even video clips, just still images of stick figures, one after another, stitched together into a full video. That's it. Static images, stick figures with 7.5 million views. You go to the channel, 14 videos, 137,000 subscribers, 14.5 million total views, with first video published just 2 months ago. You sit up. One thought hits you. If a Stickman channel can do this in 2 months, like, why can't I? You open your laptop, you try to build the workflow, but you hit a wall at the very first step. You don't know how to write a script that people actually want to watch. And every AI tool that could help requires a paid subscription. You close the laptop, that Stickman channel just crossed another million views while you're still at 0. I know that feeling exactly, because I was sitting in the same place until I built a complete free workflow that creates these videos from script to final upload. No paid tools, no design skills, just a system that works. But before we dive in, there's one thing you need: a single prompt, not 5 tools, not a paid subscription, not a complicated setup, just one prompt. I spent weeks engineering and optimizing this, specifically for this workflow. It's in the pinned comment below. Copy it and now open Claude AI free plan. That's all you need. You can see I'm on the free plan right now. Paste the prompt and watch what happens next. The prompt loads. And Claude doesn't just give you one idea, it gives you five viral topic ideas. Each one engineered to explode if you follow this workflow completely. Pick your number, hit send. What comes back will surprise you. Not just a script, a complete long-form video script, like anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes ready to use. And it doesn't stop there. Claude automatically creates a text file you can download instantly. Here's the download file. Now, before we move to the next step, I need to stop you, because what I'm about to tell you next is the single most important thing in this entire video. Most creators follow this workflow: write script, create text to image prompt for each scenes, generate scenes, create voiceover, then try to sync everything together. Sounds logical, right? It's completely wrong. And if you've been following the same workflow, this is exactly why your videos aren't exploding. Here's the problem. When you generate scenes first and create the voiceover second, you're forcing two things together that were never built for each other. You're not creating rhythm, you're creating a collision, and viewers feel that collision even if they can't explain why they clicked away. The correct workflow is the opposite: voiceover first, scenes second, always. Here's why. Look at this voiceover. You can hear the natural pauses between sentences, that pause at 1 second, 12 frames. That's where scene 1 ends. The next pause at 3 seconds, 18 frames. Scene 2 ends there, 6 seconds, 7 frames. Scene 3, 8 seconds, 11 frames. Scene 4, 12 seconds, 16 frames. Scene 5. Every scene is born from a pause. Not forced, not guessed, not synced after the fact. Built around the natural rhythm of the voice. This is why that Stickman channel crossed 7.5 million views with still images. Not because of fancy tools, not because of better graphics, because of rhythm, and rhythm starts with the voiceover. Get this right, and everything else falls into place. Now let's build the voiceover. Copy your complete script. Now visit 11 Labs, free plan, 10,000 credits every month. That's all you need. Go to voices in the left sidebar, search for Raunak. You'll see it. Viral, relatable, real voice. Add it to your library. Now go to text to speech in the left sidebar. Make sure Raunak is selected. Paste your complete script. Hit generate. Download the audio. Your voiceover is ready. Now comes the part that separates this workflow from every other tutorial you've watched. Remember, voiceover first, scene second. But how do you know exactly where each scene should start and end? That's where most creators guess. You're not going to guess. Visit fozzyscribe.ai. Link is in the description. Sign up and log in. Free account gives you 10 minutes of AI credit. Once that runs out, create another free account and keep going. Upload your voiceover file. You'll see two modes, fast and accuracy. Choose accuracy. Every frame matters here. Click transcribe audio and watch what it does. It doesn't just transcribe your words. It finds every pause in your audio, every single one with exact timestamps. Pause at 2 seconds, pause at 4 seconds, pause at 7 seconds. Now you don't need to guess where scenes begin and end. The voiceover tells you exactly. One more thing, you may automatically detect the language of your audio. Hindi, English, Urdu. Any language, this workflow works for all of them. Now download the timestamp script or simply copy it. Go back to your Claude AI conversation, paste the full timestamp script, hit send. Claude now generates a detailed text-to-image prompt for every single timestamped line. It won't give you everything at once. It works in parts. When the first batch is done, type next. Keep going until every line has a prompt. Once all prompts are ready, Claude will ask if you want a text file. Type yes. Within seconds, a complete prompt file is ready to download. Every scene, every timestamp, every prompt in one file. Now it's time to bring these prompts to life. Copy the prompt for scene 1, visit flow.google, create a new project. If agent mode is already on, turn it off. Select image mode. Set aspect ratio to 16:9. Set output per prompt to 1. Select Nano Banana 2 as your image model. This model gives you the best results without hitting generation limits. Paste scene 1 prompt. Hit send. Within seconds, scene 1 is ready. You can repeat this manually for every scene. But here's the truth. With 100 plus scenes, that process will take hours. There's a faster way, a completely free faster way. Go to Google and search Zappy Flow Chrome extension. Open the first Chrome Web Store link. You'll see the extension I personally built for you. Completely free and free forever. One thing, make sure the developer name says zappywalla.ai. This protects you from fake or duplicate versions. Add it to Chrome. Pin it, launch it. Now follow these steps carefully. Go to Google Flow, open a new project, turn agent mode off. You'll see two messages in the extension connected to Google Flow. Agent mode off. That means everything is ready. Now set up the flow for bulk generation, select image mode, set aspect ratio 16:9, set output per prompt 1, set model to Nano Banana 2. Now paste all your prompts into the prompt box. One line break between each prompt. This is important. You can see we have prompts with one line break between them. You can simply copy all the prompts from here or simply upload the prompt text file you downloaded earlier. You can see 103 prompts loaded. One setting before you run, toggle off include serial number and file name. You don't need this for our workflow. Set your download folder, click auto save settings, and make sure the first option is turned off. Go back to Flow, adjust the random delay if you want, or leave it as it is. Now hit generate, and this is where the magic happens. The extension starts generating every single image and downloading them one by one automatically. And here's the best part, you don't have to watch it. Switch tabs, open another Chrome profile, minimize the window. It keeps running in the background. No more staring at a screen waiting. Just keep one rule. Do not close the tab, the browser, or the extension. Everything else, you're free. Once complete, you'll see the result. 103 prompts executed, 102 images generated successfully. One failed, scene 15 at the 39-second timestamp. Don't worry, generate that one manually using the same process, and just like that, all 103 scenes are ready. Now comes the part that ties everything together, editing. Open your favorite video editor, import the voiceover file, drag it to the timeline. Now import all your scene images, drag them to the timeline in the correct sequence. Here's how you sync them perfectly. Look at the file name of the next scene. It tells you the exact timestamp where it starts. Next scene starts at 4 seconds. Move your playhead to exactly 4 seconds. Trim from the right. Next scene starts at 7 seconds. Move playhead to 7 seconds. Trim again. Sometimes you'll need to adjust the playhead slightly. That's normal. Take your time here. This is the step that creates the rhythm. This is what made that Stickman channel cross 7.5 million views. Follow this process for every single scene. Once done, do a full preview. Watch it from the beginning. Feel the rhythm. If it feels right, export the video. You'll find the full video link in the description. Now it's time to make it go viral. Head back to Claude AI. You'll see it's already asking, do you want to generate metadata? Type yes within seconds. A viral title, viral description, and viral tags, all generated specifically for your video. But we still need one more thing, a thumbnail that stops the scroll. Type this prompt. Ask for 5 high CTR thumbnail prompts for your video with 1 line break between each, and ask Claude to provide them in a copyable code block. Copy all 5 prompts, go to the Zappy extension, toggle it once, paste the prompts, set your download folder, hit generate, 5 thumbnails, 1 click, done. Now go to your YouTube channel, upload your video, use the viral metadata Claude generated, pick your strongest thumbnail, publish. You just built a complete Stickman doodle video from a blank page to a published YouTube video using nothing but free AI tools. No paid subscriptions, no design skills, no team. Just you, this workflow, and the system that works. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe. Small creators like me run on your support. All master prompts and resources are in the description and pinned comment. And if you want a complete money printing YouTube workflow, you cannot afford to miss the video above. See you inside.